Right, today we're looking at the Pandas array in Python 3. I'm going to start by importing Pandas and give it an array of PD, or Alice name, sorry, of PD. And we're going to create an array, a list, and work with those. So let's create a list first. Equals, oops, one list, and then float values, and then some text values. Okay, that's our list. Then we're going to create an array. Same data types. Okay, first of all, I'm going to print. I'm going to do. I'm going to create a factorized array. My factorized array equals factorize an array, and what else can we do? So yeah, let's print out a list. And maybe a carriage return, and then print out an array. Let's give it a label array, and my array, and give it a separator of, let's say a few hyphens, and give it a list, a label as well. And give it a separator of same thing, a few hyphens, and print another carriage return. And now we're going to print our factorized list, factorized array, sorry. Array separator. So that's it. Okay. And in between, I'm going to add my factorized array. There we go. So we've got our list, and maybe a carriage return underneath as well. Print a carriage return out. Okay, let's press play or run. You can see our list has different data types, and our array has the same data type, and our factorized array is basically an array with the label. So it's got a label for each array, 0 to 2, three values in the array, and that's it.